ticking, silent deals, dark glass, then one loud voice kicks straight through the mass. They drew their maps in secret halls, red ink blueprints on the wall, shook cold hands in quiet rooms, signed our future like a doom. But the crowd woke up, screen by screen, heard a shout cut through the machine. One wild card in a loaded deck, flipped that table, broke their specs. New world order falling apart, spanner in their plans, in the gears in the dark. You can feel that fortress shake, old great towers start to break. New world order, watch it unwind, from the back room smoke to the front of the line. Every chant, every vote, every drum says your long night's done, your long night's done. Your long night's done. Red flags fading, grip runs thin, steel fists slipping off our skin. Those who preach control and fear feel that backlash drawing near. Crowds in caps, boots in dust, voices rough from saying enough. Every script they try to run keeps misfiring, coming undone. New world order falling apart, spanner in their plans, in the gears in the dark. You can feel that fortress shake, old great towers start to break. Hey, new world order, watch it unwind, from the back room smoke to the front of the line. Every chant, every vote, every drum says your long night